Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2010 Audi Q5 3.2 Premium. This vehicle comes in a black exterior color. It's a 4-door sport utility. Seats 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle carries a 3.2 liter V6 engine with a 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on the inside of your door panel next to a speaker. Memory seat controls are underneath your handle. Power folding side mirrors and power windows. You have your trunk opener down at the bottom. Nice big speaker down at the bottom as well with your storage compartment. Door panel is made up of a black leather with a silver insert. Both front seats are powered in a black leather with headrest adjusters and lumbar support. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu selection and volume control on your steering wheel. You have your S-line badging. Black paddle shifters at the rear of the steering wheel. This vehicle is a push to start, so you just put your foot on the brake and push the button. Analog front dash. You have your infotainment screen and your center console. CD player, your AM and FM radio. Your satellite radio as well with Bluetooth. Pairing your phone. Manual climate control down at the bottom with your heated front seats. Cigarette starter and ashtray. If you'd like to hide it, you just give it a little push. Leather wrapped gear shifter with your park brake. Your ESP switch. You have your 2 cup holders. Black leather wrapped center console. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your universal garage opener. You have your overhead lighting. Sunroof controls as well. Up at the top you have your sunglass compartment as well. Up top is your sun visor and vanity mirror. Same for the passenger side. This vehicle also comes with a very nice dual sunroof stretching all the way to the rear of the vehicle. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 20-inch Audi rims on summer tires. Color-matched side mirror with an integrated turn signal, as well as your black keyless entry handle grips. Chrome badging along the rear, dual exhaust with a rear wiper blade. You have your powered trunk button just underneath your Audi badge. You have your cargo shade as well as extra racks. Nice carpeted rear trunk space, access to the 60-40 split rear seats. You have a button at your top right. Moving into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather door panel with your silver insert. Storage compartment speaker down at the bottom with one at the top as well. Rear seats are in a black leather. You have your center console, folds down. Just in the front, if you push on it, out pops your cup holders. Rear seats, you have your heated seat controls as well as air vents. Netted magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Access to the sunroof with overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have your shark antenna just down at the back. Chrome around the windows. You have your fog lights down at the bottom. Nice chromed grille. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.